Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we are looking at a new broker's listing, a 2022 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage in the beautiful light blue gel coat hull. First thing you notice is that beautiful bow flare. Lots of dead rise, 23 degrees of dead rise on this boat. Stainless steel windlass anchor. It's concealed too, so it's not in the way when you're working it or if you're working a fish. Beautiful hard top with enclosure on it in glass and window vent. 2022 was the first year for the dive door standard on the boat, which separates it obviously from the 2021s. Perfectly powered with twin 300 V8 Mercury Verados. It's got underwater lights, beautiful outriggers on the hardtop. Hardly ever fished, once in a while, but definitely not a die-hard fishing machine. Fold up bench seat here in the back, fold it away when you're fishing. Part of the premium package that he has is these beautiful upgraded helm seats with thigh-rise bolsters. This receptacle is for the beautiful dive ladder, dive door. Freshwater wash down here. Dual battery chargers, concealed swim ladder, pop-up cleats, raw water wash down over here, all JL audio equipment. There's the Yeti cooler that has designated storage there. This is a nice built-in live well / cooler, wet sink. Perfect helm setup here too. 16-inch Raymarine Axiom. This does have the GPO system, joystick piloting from Mercury. Just over 104 hours on the boat, so lightly used. It already had 2 services done on it as well. Electronics box up here. Raymarine VHF radio. That is the Mercury Smartcraft gauge. Working our way up starboard side here. We'll leave the size of the head on this boat. Full vacuum flush toilet with macerator. There's dedicated storage for your dive ladder. He has the optional bow table with filler. Keyless ignitions are in here. Your stereo head unit. All your controls for the vacuum flush. There's actually a shower in here as well. And those are your poles for the bow sunshade system that he has. Working our way forward here. Really nice seating, conducive to laying out. Windshield wiper option on the full glass windshield. Look at all the storage you get in the coffin box here. Working our way back on the port side here. Another look at the helm seats, rocket launchers. Boat is still under full warranty. It has extended warranty on the motor as well. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. This is a 2022 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This is the boat you want to buy, people. Give me a call, 561-654-6058. Thanks for watching.